We researched over 30 of the best rolling pin for baking on the market and purchased 5 of the top models to test head-to-head. We looked at the effectiveness of each pin and determined how well each product performed when faced with the stickiest of doughs, how well they maneuvered to create a perfect circle, and how versatile they are for various applications. We judge how easy it is to clean up those stickiest of doughs, how their size factors into performance, and how well they fit in the smallest of kitchen drawers. We've rolled out a solid selection of different styles and brands to help you land on the right model for your needs and budget. You can find timestamps and links to all the products we mentioned in this video down in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1. Ultra Cuisine French Rolling Pin. The Ultra Cuisine Professional French Pin proved to be the best overall product we tested. Its simple shape and unique material make it hard to beat. It's easily storable in any kitchen drawer, as it is not excessively long or thick, and it is super easy to clean. The slight taper on either side of the pin makes it easily maneuverable, and the stainless steel surface keeps the dough from sticking excessively, especially after it's chilled in the freezer or fridge. The Ultra Cuisine Professional French Pin might have a foreign aesthetic if you are looking for a product with a more traditional appearance. The stainless steel doesn't have the same homey feel that a wooden one might, but the material also makes it incredibly versatile and effective. Pros: can be chilled to prevent sticking. Machine washable. Tapered. Light and easily storable. Cons: doesn't have the traditional aesthetic. If you like the product, see the link in the description below. Number 2. French Rolling Pin. The Carillon French Tapered Pin outperforms other products by more than twice its price and looks good doing it. This little dowel has a lovely tapered shape, making it easy to use. It is long enough to roll a pie crust, but doesn't take up too much room in a kitchen drawer. This pin is also one of the least sticky pins we tested and is aesthetically pleasing to the eye. If you're looking for something suitable for everything at a reasonable price, look no further. The Carillon French Tapered Pin is on the thinner side, making transferring pie dough somewhat challenging, but certainly not impossible. This is a great all-around option that will get the job done if you're just not ready to commit to an expensive pie pin. Pros: long and light, super maneuverable, not sticky, simple and beautiful design. Cons: very thin. If you like the product, see the link in the description below. Number 3. J.K. Adams Maplewood Medium Gourmet Rolling Pin. The J.K. Adams 12-inch maple pin was the best pie pin with handles. This pin has self-lubricating bearings to keep it rolling smoothly, an unfinished surface to keep from sticking, is a good size and weight for rolling and moving pie dough, and is beautiful to boot. Like the J.K. Adams dowel, the unfinished surface texture helps keep the stickiest of dough under control, making it a contender for the best pie pin. This is a decent choice if you prefer handles on your pie pin, as they are sturdy, and we found that there was enough space between the countertop and the handles that we could wrap our fingers all the way around. The main drawback of the J.K. Adams maple pin is that it is one of the least storable products. The length and depth of the dowel make it challenging to fit in a shallow drawer, and even in deeper drawers, it still takes up a lot of space. That being said, this pin is an excellent choice if you prefer displaying this beauty on your countertop or have space to spare. Pros: unfinished surface to keep the dough from sticking, rolls smoothly. Thick 2 dowel width, made in the USA. Cons: cumbersome in your kitchen drawer. If you like the product, see the link in the description below. Number 4. Bamber Rolling Pin. Our favorite wooden rolling pin was the Bamber wood pin. We believe the secret to this pin's success is its simplicity. The Bamber pin did not outshine the rest with any single feature, but instead proved its usefulness with its versatility across the board. It is long enough to transport pie dough and thin enough not to be too cumbersome or to take up too much room in a kitchen drawer. It is beautifully made, and a quick rinse in the sink cleans it right up. This pin will work for you whether you are a frequent cookie baker or a once-in-a-blue-moon tart maker. The Bamber wood pin wasn't perfect on the stickiest pie dough we tested. It stuck more than we would have liked. However, with a touch more flour, the Bamber pin was back on top. Aside from the need for a decent amount of flour, this product is an excellent option for any home baking you could hope to get into. Pros: smooth, beautiful finish, long and light, easy to clean, easy to store. Cons: sticky when working with stickier dough. If you like the product, see the link in the description below. Number 5. QDLLANC Rolling Pin. If you need your cookies to be the same size, the Quellence stainless steel adjustable pin is the pin for you. It has a great adjustable feature with which you can choose the depth of your dough. Just select the correct ring size and bam! All your sugar cookies will be exactly as the recipe asks, 1/4 inch thick. Our favorite part about this feature is that there is virtually no chance you will roll your dough too thin and have to start over. This pin has easy-to-use screws with 4 different size rings that can all go in the dishwasher when you're done. It even comes with a silicone mat with measurements and conversions so that when you're done making your perfect sugar cookies, you can just transfer your mess to the sink. This product can make the baking process fun and engaging, and it could keep your kitchen clean at the same time. Because of the adjustment rings at the end of the pin, the size of the piece of dough you roll out is limited. It could also be hard to keep track of all the pieces if you don't keep them together. Pros: adjusts for thickness. Machine washable. Measurements are written on the side of the pin. Cons: rings restrict how big you can roll out your dough. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Now in the comments, what is your favorite one? We hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.